Good morning everyone. So we're back at our Vauxhall Insignia this morning. So you remember from the last video we had, when we started, it started fine, it was running quite smooth, but we had this hum noise. So what we decided to do, and this is always good practice, we removed the first belt, removed the first belt between the power steering pump and that first pulley there, but the hum was still there. So we then decided to remove the serpentine belt, and as soon as we removed that, the hum disappeared. So what we did find out, our problem was, it's the alternator. The alternator is a problem in this, so you can't actually hear it in that, but we heard it on the bench. So the hum is within the alternator. So that's good. We don't need to go back into the timing belt cover, because we originally thought maybe it would be one of the tensioners or that, but we actually checked them and they all seem fine. So we just need to change out the alternator, and I'll give you a quick shot just to prove that the hum has disappeared. So once we removed the belt, just to clarify, we started the engine and there was no noise here. So it's going well, so cheers. Well everybody, that's us. It's a fix, we think. So we put another alternator on it, and my, there was a noise coming off the new alternator that we got from Euro Car Parts. So we managed to detect it using my trusty stethoscope. We just put it right on the alternator and you could hear the whining noise coming right up through, so that was worth its weight in gold, that wee tool. So the new one's on and it's quite quiet now. We're clear of fault codes apart from the usual one. This little coolant thermostat, it's for the control heater circuit, so that one's coming on, so we'll fix that. And I just thought I'd let you see what's going into the battery, so that's healthy. So that's 7 amps going back into the battery from the alternator, and earlier on we actually checked the alternator and it was putting out about 25 amps. So we checked it down at the alternator, which is down at the back there, and so I think that's all good, and I think that sounds tremendous. So we'll change oil, and that's it. Ready to make a killing. Cheers!